Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to try a new format of videos which I will call short answers. So the point of this video will be to give you a short answer, and if I get some question in the comment sections which I can easily answer and I can easily demonstrate the answer, then I will do that and I will upload a small short video about it. So recently I got a question a few days ago regarding this strain gauge amplifier unit, and the person had some problems. As you can read it on the screen, that despite his efforts he could not get a proper output signal, and he was asking what kind of output signal can you get from this kind of unit. And in fact I described this in my earlier videos, is that since you can bend this this strain gauge in two directions, this circuit is set up in a certain way that the output voltage in a default setting should be half of the input voltage. So the input voltage is usually 5 volts. So by default you should get 2.5 volts in the output. And if you bend it in the, let's say, positive direction, then the output voltage should go from 2.5 towards 5 volts. And if you bend it in the negative direction, then the output voltage will go towards the ground, so towards the zero voltage. So what I have here is in very simple settings. I have 3 cables connected together to this strain gauge amplifier unit, and then I have the strain gauge and the multimeter. So what I have here, I supply plus 5 volt to this board, then I have the ground also going to the multimeter, and then here on the output I will also measure the output voltage of this unit. So let's turn this on and we will see some values. So now this is nothing because I haven't put any power supply on this unit. You can see when I turn it on that there will be a blue LED lighting up here. So I turn on the power supply, and now we have a zero voltage. And in fact you can adjust this by getting a screwdriver and turning this onboard potentiometer, which should sort of modify the 0 point. And as you can see now, the 0 point of this is approaching more positive supply voltages. And of course if I go in the other direction, then I zero it out. So as I said, a good setting could be roughly 2.5 volts. So I bring it there and then we do what we have to do. So first of all, I could prove that the potentiometer works, and now we are at 2.5 volts. So what I do, I bend the strain gauge in a way that it will shape an U shape, or at least I will try to do that, and that should do something with the voltage. So it increases the voltage, as you can see. So now I bend it as an upside down U shape, so that should decrease the voltage, and as you can see it pulls it down to 0. So once again I bend it upwards, and it's very sensitive, as you can see, and it's maxed out basically, and now I bend it downwards and it's 0. So as you can see, this works, it works as it intended. So most probably you have some problems with your circuit board. So maybe it is not connected somehow, or it is a faulty board, or there are bad connections with the strain gauge or something like that. But as you can see, it works as it intended. So I hope that this short video was helpful to you, and please check my other videos on my channel, and hopefully you will find some other solutions for your problem. And see you in the next video.